we are still under operations in number basis. Now we are asked to calculate in base 5. Base 5 is also called quinary. So they want us to add all these numbers. They are all in base 5, as you can see. All the number here, none of them is up to 5 or greater than 5. Definitely they are in base 5. Now, so let's add it together, and this is how to add in base 5. No need to go and convert everything to base 10, add it up and convert it back to base 5. You can easily do this in 30 seconds, in fact less than 30 seconds. 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3, right? Okay, this is 7, this is 7, this is what? 14, right? Now 14 in base 5. How many 5 can we have in 14? Which is 2, remainder 4. Write that 4, keep that 2 up here, okay? Right, that's how it works. 3 plus 4, 7, plus this 9, plus this 11. 11 plus 2, that is 13. How many 5 can we have in 13? Which is 2, remainder 3. Write your 3 and keep that 2 up here, okay, right? Because we are living in base 5, quinary. 2 plus 2, 4, plus this 7, plus this we have 11. 11 plus the 2 that we kept there, that's 13, right? Now in base 5 again, 2 remainder 3, right? So this is what 2, okay, right? So now 2 plus this is what? 3. So that means when we had everything in base 5, that's our final answer. Thank you for watching this video.